Let's explore what happens inside your body after eating celery. When you eat celery, its journey begins in the mouth and moves down into the stomach. In the stomach, celery fibers mix with digestive acids and begin breaking down slowly.
In the intestines, vitamins, minerals, and hydration from celery are absorbed into the bloodstream.
These nutrients travel through the blood, hydrating cells and energizing the body.
Celery may improve brain clarity and reduce inflammation in brain cells.
Its minerals help maintain muscle balance and hydration. Celery's fiber supports digestion and helps feed healthy gut bacteria.
The hydration in celery can give you a clean, steady boost of natural energy.
For some people, celery may cause stomach discomfort or gas.
People with celery allergy may experience skin swelling or itching.
Because celery is low in calories, it may slightly lower blood sugar in some individuals.
Eating only celery without other foods may lead to low energy.
Celery can be refreshing and beneficial, but balance is always important. Use it wisely.